this. Oh, the cashew nut salad. They ordered some more. I've already had it. So, first of all, let's eat this and see how it tastes. How it tastes. That's exactly how it tastes. Who says tastes? Probably teachers. Yeah, they're wrong. The correct pronunciation is tastes. Yeah. So this seems even better than the last one. So let's eat the cashew nut salad. See what's going on. Look, it's very looking good. Looking super good. Get it because there's soup in this place and it's super good. Yeah, okay, I think if you are a viewer of the last channel, Pablo, you're gonna know that this is better than the shawarma house one. For sure. And that's probably 0%, guys. If no one watched my whole channel. Just, I don't even know, this is just good. This is the definition of good. Like, this is amazing. My taste buds are going, wow. No? This is a lot more better than the last one we had. This is amazing, guys. By the way, if you come to this place, it's called the Rainy Roof. If you ever come to this place, it's on top of the BMTC of the Karwan Bazar, the BTMC. It's on top of it. It's the BTMC behind the
front of Petro Bangla.
Yeah, it's in the front of the Petro Bangla. Like, you just go to the roof. You just go to the 12th floor, and then you just come here and if you ever come here, you have to try out the cashew nut salad. It costs $375, I think, and it's 95. Amazing. It costs $395 and it's amazing. You have to try this out once if you come here. It is the definition of good. Wow. So after this one last bite, I'm going to show you guys something else. Anyways, guys, yeah. So, let's see. That was really good. So, let's see what